Starting with numerical number 10, unsolved numerical from your exercise. A battery of EMF 4 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm is connected in parallel with another battery of EMF 1 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm with their like poles connected together. Means positive of one battery will get connected to positive of another battery, means this will be the connection, and internal resistance always comes on the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, these two are connected in parallel. One is having EMF 4 volt and its internal resistance is 1 ohm. Another battery has EMF 1 volt and its internal resistance is 1 ohm. Okay, the combination is used to send current through an external resistance. Okay, both of them sends current to the external resistance. The combination is used to send current through an external resistance of 2 ohm. Means from this combination we have a external resistance connected. Calculate the current through the external resistance. Okay, this external resistance has has resistance 2 ohm. Okay, always the current flows from the positive terminal of the battery. Suppose I1 flows from this battery and I2 flows from this battery. This is the junction. Both of them come towards the junction, and then what will go out of the junction? Say from here I1 is coming towards the junction, from here I2 is coming towards the junction. So what will go out of the junction? Of course I1 plus I2. So I1 plus I2 will flow through the resistance, and then it will travel towards I1 plus I2 will travel towards this junction, and will, after traveling towards this junction, it will get divided into two. So it's this terminal has I2, so I2 will flow towards this terminal and I1 will flow towards this terminal. ये हमको बनाना है. If this numerical comes, it will come for 3 marks. Now let's name A, this junction as B, this as C, D, E, F. Okay, now this corners G, H, I, not okay, I ले ले, हाँ ठीक है, I करंट के लिए भी लिया है ना, चलो I and J. Now we'll apply Kirchhoff voltage law to solve such complicated circuits. And a current through the external resistance, here which current flow through the external resistance? I1 plus I2. So we want to calculate I1 plus I2, means पहले I1 निकालेंगे, फिर I2 निकालेंगे और दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So applying Kirchhoff voltage law in loop, ये छोटा वाला loop, that is A B C D E F A. A B C D E F A. From wherever you start, you should end over there. Chalo, let's apply. Before applying, I'll mark this. We are starting from A B C D E F A. We should draw this so that it becomes clear to us to write the signs. Now while traveling from A to C, we do not have any resistance, but while going from C to D, we have a battery and we also have a resistance. Now your direction and the direction of the current is opposite, so it will be positive I2 and whatever is the resistance 1 ohm. So I2 into 1, and then while traveling towards this side, positive terminal is crossed, you stop at negative terminal of the battery, that is minus 1 volt. Then while traversing from D to F, no resistance. Then while coming from F to A, we have a battery, और बैटरी के हम पॉजिटिव साइड पे रुकते हैं, तो +4. और now direction of the current and your direction, both of them are same, so it will be negative. कौन सा करंट आ रहा है? I1 करंट आ रहा है, so minus I1 into 1. Minus I1 into 1 is equal to 0. So this will be I2, 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 3 minus I1 is equal to 0. So can I write it like this, that I2 plus I3 is equal to I1. ये हम बोल देते हैं 1. Now we'll apply Kirchhoff law to another loop. Applying Kirchhoff voltage law in loop. Now this loop B, G, H, I, J, E, D, C, B, A. Oh my god. B, G, H, I, J, E, D, C, B, G. We have started from B, so we'll end at B, no G. समझा? B से स्टार्ट किया था तो यहाँ से घूम कर JDCB वापस से B पे रुक गए. ना अप्लाई किरकॉफ लॉ लगा लिख देती हूँ मैं यहाँ पर. ये ऐसे 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 और ऐसे मार्क करते हैं तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट बराबर रहेगा हमारे पास. नाउ व्हाइल कमिंग फ्रॉम B to G no resistance, G to H no resistance, H to I there is resistance. Now your direction and the direction of the current is same, so it will be minus. कौन सा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है इस तरफ? I1 plus I2. So minus I1 plus I2, and what is the resistance? 2. Now when you go from I to J, no resistance. When you come from E to D, no resistance. But when you go from D to C, you have a resistance and you also have a battery. Battery के कौन से साइड पे आके रुकते हैं? पॉजिटिव. So +1. अब potential difference देखते हैं. Potential difference में your direction and the direction of the current is same. So minus I2 into the resistance. Minus I2 into the resistance. Then you go from C to B, no resistance. So this is done. Is equal to 0. Now let's open the bracket. So minus plus minus minus 2 into I1 minus plus minus 2 into I2. ठीक है, plus 1 and plus 1 minus I2. I2 into 1 is I2 and minus I2 is equal to 0. Now minus 2 I1 minus 2 I2 minus I2 is minus 3 I2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you have the value of I1, that is I2 plus 3. Put कर दो. minus 2 I1 की वैल्यू क्या थी? I2 plus 3. I2 plus 3 minus 3 I2 plus 1 is equal to 0. From where you are substituting the value? From 1. Always mention this because examiners will get confused from where this child has brought what. Minus 2 into I2 minus 2 I2 minus plus is minus 2 3s are 6 minus 3 I2 and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, things becomes clear because we just have one unknown. Minus 2 I2 minus 3 I2 is minus 5 I2 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 is equal to 0. Take minus 5 I2 on this side, so it will be minus 5 is equal to minus 5 I2 on this side, so plus 5 I2. So this is clear now. I2 will be equal to minus 5 upon 5, right? So this, wait, this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled, so I2 is equal to minus 1 ampere. Okay, so what does this mean? That the current flowing from this battery, कौन सा battery? ये वाला battery is minus 1 ampere. Now put this over here. So I1 is equal to I2 plus 3. I2 कितना है? minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 2 ampere. हमको find out क्या करना है? I1 plus I2 which is flowing through the external resistance. So I1 plus I2. I1 is how much? I1 is 2 ampere and I2 is minus 1. So 2 plus minus minus 2 minus 1 is 1 ampere current will flow through the external resistance. Okay, 1 ampere current will flow through external resistance.